Hi, today is day 3 of practice English speaking. Let's pick up one topic to speak about almost 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever I speak. Let's pick one topic. The topic is that mm, topic is that why college is most important for me. Yeah, this is topic why college is most important for me. One thing is that things college is most important for me because when I go college I learn a lot. I learn how to speak many from the people with fully confidently. I learn a lot of things in theoretical and public speaking. I learn a lot of group of things. I learn a lot of coding languages. I means a lot, and I enjoy more on college with friends and hanging out of girl. So I am going college because college is most important for our life. One bachelor opportunity for me because after college there is no bachelor to live life because I am going to college. This is my college. Dr. MC Saxon Group of College. So I go college. I learn a lot of things with blood girl and speak front of a student, and I want to become a leader. So I want to develop leadership quality. So I want to go college. And the other things is most important college for me. And I learn English speaking. When I learn English speaking, lots of things are improved. More people respect, and I can earn money from the English speaking by teaching, by telling anyone, and by teaching any person how to speak English. And I share experience on YouTube. There are so many benefits, and when I learn English, then so many opportunity unlocked for me. I speak better. I roam anywhere. I meet other people who speak in English, who only understand English. So I can talk talk in English with her, with him. So I connect more people. This language of English language is connect more people, high valuable people. When I will go on out of country, then I will meet many types of people. Those know only English language, so I can talk. I can make him understand. They make me understand. If I know English, I can understand. I can talk. I can understand other opinion in English. So English is most important for me. And English, if I know how to speak, how to understand, how to learn English speaking, how to understand English, so many opportunity. I can't express in word how many English important in my life. If I know English, I met more people in India, in out of country. So their English speaking unlock so many opportunity. Because if if you know English, how to speak English, then you become automatically valuable person in other life. You automatically become intelligent person, because in India whenever talk in English, he think, wow, She is very intelligent. He is very intelligent guy, intelligent guy. Whatever he know, didn't know any other field, but he only speak in English. People saying that, wow, this is very intelligent. So yeah, English speaking, English knowing, English understanding, so important in my life, our life, your life, so important. I want to say that ki you must you must learn how to speak English. You must learn how to understand English, so you can practice. You can also practice English by recording yourself like me, and uploading video on YouTube. Views is coming or not coming, it doesn't important, but one things, after 1 year, after 90 days, definitely improve your English. One thing is confirmed, views are not getting more views, not getting other views, doesn't matter, but you have learned a lot of English. You have learned so many things. Speaking, you have a better communication skill, you have a English speaking skill, so many things. There is no any things, so you can also learn English speaking like me. You can record yourself and uploading yourself, then you have to chance to see, watch yourself, where is mistake, where is going on mistake, where is mistaking, where you are mistakes, then you also improve our English. So English is very important. So this is most important. I can learn English in college in first year. I will not tell you, my first goal is learn in English in first year fluency level. I want to develop my English speaking quality in fluency level in first year college in last 6 months, and I try to my best. I'll try to my best learn in English in 90 days. But if any reason not I learn in 90 days, but I learn definitely learn English speaking fluency, English speaking in last 6 months. So I'm recording yourself. So I'm recording yourself because when I record myself, when I record how I am, when I record myself, then I can easily take up and get up my mistake. So this is end of this day. Meet you next day. So I wanna one more things tell you. My goal is that in last 1 year I want to earn 1 lakh, up to 1 lakh, and the second goal is I wanna buy a bike of our earning, of my money, our money. And second is goal is that I want to build a startup, and the third goal is that I wanna a bike of our earning. Then fourth goal is that I wanna a mobile of our earning. So I need one another phone. So this is our goal, and so many academic goal also. So this is end of today. I meet you tomorrow. Okay.